Another day, another event, and today we are hosting not just one but two store openings for the Loop. So last April, we hosted their store opening at SM City, Olongapo downtown, and today naman we are hosting their 61st store opening dito sa SM City, Telabastagan, and 62nd sa Clark Cityfront Mall later. And I'm gonna show you my outfit. Let's start with my necklace, shades of green and some more bright colors, blue off-shoulder top and an orange skirt because as you know, blue and orange yung color ni the Loop. I did my own makeup and my own hair as well. Mermaid curls pa lang yung alam kong gawin ngayon sa hair ko. So palaging ganito yung makikita nyo sa akin. To complete the look, we have this orange sunnies. It is gentle, monster inspired. Parang yung bago nila na vegetable collection. But sa Shopee lang to guys. What is up, the Loop crew? Good afternoon and hello. My name is Anne Christine. I'll be your host this afternoon. We are very thrilled to welcome you to the grand opening of the Loop Clark Cityfront Mall, our 62nd store. 3,